Hey, springtime is liver season. It's also baseball season. Don't get me started on that. But now's the time to maximize cleaning your liver. You know, spring is not just about cleaning your house. If you want to clean house internally, you have to start with your liver. Your liver is what detoxes your blood. It's what runs the system by which your body binds with toxins that are isolated out of your food and move it out of your body so it doesn't affect you. It's a major portion of the detox system of your body that protects you from getting things like cancer and heavy metal poisoning, and all these aspects really come back to liver function. And so when it's liver season, it's easier to actually clean your liver. So it's time to pay attention to it. You know, in Chinese medicine, the liver is looked at as the field general. It directs all your qi around your body. So if your liver's disrupted, then the energy of your other organs never follows a logical path. And so this is why certain aspects of your heart, like palpitations, if you wake up in the middle of the night with palpitations, or you're grinding your teeth, or you have shoulder and neck tension, or just tension in general, these are signs that you have a liver imbalance and you need to do something for your liver. So no matter what time of year it is, you lighten up your food and you eat more greens and things that are easy to process because it has a cleansing effect on your liver. And when you take the physical burden off your liver, it's easier to process everything else. Now the liver also has emotions attached to it. So if you find that you're having mood swings, that maybe you get angry a lot, or you're feeling slightly depressed, all these things have to do with how your liver is moving energy around your body. Think of liver as a free flow of energy and being able to look at the big picture in life. Because when your liver is balanced, that's when you're just looking out at the horizon and seeing the big picture. And when it's not, that's when you're caught up in too many little things in life and you're just stressed out about everything. And so, you know, America is considered to be a liver country because we have so much stress around money and about possessions that we're constantly under stress. And your liver is the first organ system of your body that actually feels the physical effects of being stressed out. And so oftentimes when you go see an acupuncturist and they go, oh, liver, you know, Americans will think, oh, I got a problem with my liver. What they're basically saying is that your nervous system is messed up, because liver is part of your nervous system in Chinese medicine. And so most people are stressed out. So almost everybody that goes to an acupuncturist will hear the word liver, right? So now's the time to take care of it. It's spring, it's liver season. And so all those greens that are in the grocery store, dandelion greens, all the fresh baby lettuces, all these different foods actually have a liver cleansing effect. So maximize your intake of those. Cut out all condensed baked food, and your liver will start to lighten up and start to process all that heavy energy from the winter where you consume too many sweets, too many baked goods, too much heavy condensed food. So if you really want to maximize it, then try taking a week or two and just eating greens at every meal. Make a point of eating at least 2 meals that are all just big salads or steamed greens, things that are light and not processed, and don't eat a lot of heavy grain food or anything like that. Just focus on proteins and greens and see how you lighten up from the winter. And so, you know, it's just natural that we all eat too much condensed food in the winter, and it's now liver time. It's now time to clean your internal house and to move on from all of that. In fact, it's the perfect time if you were considering doing a juice fast to actually go ahead with that, because again, springtime is cleaning time and you'll have the maximum effect because it's the time of your liver anyway, and all the things you do will have a greater effect on that organ system. And that is the organ system that's all about cleansing and really running every process in your body. And so maximize that. There's some great herbs for it too. You know, I use reishi mushroom and schizandra in all my formulas. Schizandra is a great herb for detoxing the liver. It's been used in clinical studies to treat hepatitis. Reishi mushroom is the same. It's great for getting drug residue out of your liver, detoxing tons of chemicals, and even mushrooms like shiitake mushroom, maitake mushroom, these things that I use in my mushroom complex. You might think of them only as herbs that are used to build immunity, but they're famous liver tonics. They're famous for the health of your liver and have been used for centuries for that very same thing. So take advantage of the season and clean up your liver and take advantage of all the fresh food that's coming out now.